Hey guys and gals, it's Jim back here, and I'm doing another final video of the AT-ST Endor diorama that I posted recently, the finished video. But this one's a little bit different. I received my little Ewok figures, 3D printed Ewoks that Oggie at Interstellar Modeler was nice enough to 3D print for me. I got them painted up the other day, and got them put onto the diorama in different places. So I thought I'd come out to out in nature again and do another final video with the now it's complete diorama with the Ewoks on there and stuff. And they're pretty tiny. It was a little bit of a job to paint them and stuff. Took a while, but they came out looking pretty good and stuff. I don't know how well they'll pick up out here, but you can see there they got some weapons and stuff, and I just did different colors of browns and grays and tans and blacks and stuff. Just downloaded some pictures off of Google and stuff that I did a search for Ewok figures and photos of Ewoks from Star Wars movies, and I just kind of used that for referencing and stuff like that. So I thought they turned out pretty good and all that. So camera doesn't want to focus here in the outdoors, but there they go. Get a good look at them. I got a few more on this side and everything, kind of just standing around coming out of their hiding places and stuff. And we got Chewie up there in the AT-ST poking up out of the top and stuff like you see in the movie. So but yeah, I thought they had a little bit more of a finishing touch, and a little bit more interest to the diorama and stuff, you know, that there's a little bit more life going on than just the model kit and everything like that. So I want to give a call out, tell Oggie up over at Interstellar Modeler, I appreciate it. Thanks a lot for printing these out for me and all that. And they really make a difference on the diorama and stuff. So give a couple more good close-up shots of them and stuff. And you know, they might not be screen accurate or something. I did my best to try to, you know, make them look like what you see in the movie and stuff. They're different color, their hoods and capes and stuff like that, and all that. And they're tiny and stuff, but the detail was pretty nice and everything. You know, it was very crisp and all that. So I was able to pick out the different, you know, textures and stuff. Did a lot of dry brushing, you know, to make them look like, you know, multicolor, you know, like the fur and stuff like that. So, but anyway, that's the finished diorama. We're gonna back out and get a overall look at it and stuff like that. And it's a little bit different time of the day than when I did the last video. The sun's in a different place, and also it's just in a different place this time of year to start with and stuff. We're getting into those fall days now, but I think it looks good against the natural backdrop and everything. You can still make out my trees, but kind of adds a little bit. You got the sky in the background with some other trees, and if it wasn't for the picnic table, if I was able to camouflage that and blend it in, I think it'd look like the different still pic photos that you see from the movie and stuff, you know. So I'm real happy with the way this diorama turned out. And you know, one thing about it, I would not hesitate to put this in a model show if there was ever one in my area. So I thought everything turned out real nice, better than what I expected it to. And all the extra detail I did as far as the little vines and moss in the trees, and the little tree roots coming out of the hillside there, and all that, I thought it came out real well and stuff. So, but yeah, that's the finished diorama. Real happy with it, and appreciate you guys checking it out. I want to thank all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks for hitting the like button. Thanks for all the great comments you guys have been leaving me. And we'll see you soon with another model build or update, whichever comes first. I got quite a few projects going on. I'm in the middle of building some models. I'm in the middle of finishing up some bases for models. In the middle of starting up some models. I'm working on a 3D printed Star Wars model. It's a TIE bomber. We'll be doing a video. I'm working on the base for that right now. I got the model all built and stuff after putting a lot of extra work into it besides what comes in the kit and all that. But we'll be doing videos on all that stuff in the coming weeks. So Thanks a lot to everybody. Stay safe and healthy out there, you and your families, and we'll talk to you soon with another great video. Till the next time, take care. Bye.